Hello, Miss Smith. All right. I gotta mark everybody else absent. Does your microphone work, Miss Smith?
You said what?
Oh, now just make sure your microphone is working. Um. Okay, so today I wanted to extend the time for us to work on. What was it? What was we working on? Projects 2 and 3, right? So let's knock the norms out. All right. So you're the main person getting the points today. I did add points last night, and I corrected a bunch of scores. You might want to check. But can you read the norms there, uh, Kyla?
No one has the right to limit another person. Education in the classroom are sacred. We will never behave in a way that will discredit ourselves, our school, our family, and instill academy self-esteem and always act with integrity. We take pride in accept academy Southwest. We respect the opinions of others. We respect the culture of the classroom. We are attempting to participate. We have high expectations of ourselves, our peers, and our teachers. And we are here to focus on preparing ourselves for post-secondary endeavors.
Okay, thank you. All right, so GGI. I think you was in GGI. I think I saw you. You routinely go to GGI, so those points help out too. They cap off a lot of points every day when you attend. It's actually mandatory to attend. So thank you for attending. Make sure you try out tomorrow. All right, now I got a quick question for you. Are you going to be doing the Let's Code tomorrow? My repairing any more grades, or are you not going to be there, or what's the deal?
I don't think I'm gonna be there.
Okay, appreciate your honesty. I need to know. Okay, so the next slide, you could just read it. Oh, there's Rush. You can take care of it, Miss Smith, and I'm gonna start putting some points in the system.
Every Wednesday and Thursday, learn the code from the convenience of your home and get extra credit for some of your classes. The pandemic's effect on the coding job market. Why learn to code? So surprisingly broad benefits of coding. Interesting.
All right. Um, does this work? Okay. You want to take care of that, or Rush? You want to give her a break, or
I'm gonna just do it.
okay, go ahead.
Daily
Oh,
code.
Miriam's here too. Go ahead.
So you'll be able to complete the evaluation is hello our aspiring STEM students. Welcome to class. Inside the interview you can access our pre-recorded videos of each class. These videos are normally ready to review by 4 p.m. daily.
Okay. Go here, and let's see, Miriam. I see you just came to class. Do you see the screen? Can you read what's on the screen with the words and the agenda?
Um, Students will be able to utilize the Google Coordinates
Curriculum.
curriculum
There you go.
to complete Project 3 Archery Game, page 86, via the Raspberry I
Mhm.
don't know how to say it.
Pie. Yeah.
Okay, Pi 400 academic cake.
Okay. The words.
Classroom term of the day is scripts. Word of the day, device.
Very good. You got it. Okay. So she got 20 points for that. Now we're gonna come back to that at least 3 times in class. If you'll notice there, I've extended out. I'm talking to staff by helping you guys as much as we can. So I'm extending yesterday's assignment out to today. All right. So this whole class period, I'm not gonna talk much. I'm just gonna really. It's kind of like asynchronous, but you got to stay. So I want you to just work on getting as much of those two, because those are double credit assignments. So use this class period to get started on your kid assignment. So what does that look like? Let's go into real quick. And we're fourth period. Okay, so waiting for it to load. And then what you want to do is, you see here is a GGI link that I try to post for you all every time. But what you want to focus on your energy on is the recording. So we put the recording in the chat because I did put it in there. Let's see which link it is. And finishing up, this assignment here, Project 3. I want to on Friday give you a quiz on project one, but I'm kind of worried how people are doing on project two and three, because two is also due. What was it? I think Wednesday, and then I think let's see here. This is the 8th. That's Monday. Yeah, okay. And then two, we had do project two as well. I think that was probably Friday. Is this it? Because it was sync. No, that's for a different class. I'm sorry. I'm thinking about computer science. So project three is the only one I want you to focus on. You click on project three to see what it's about. Waiting for it to open up. But honestly, all you have to focus on is being on your kit and following what page. That's why I'm opening this up for you all. So put this in the chat. So if you don't remember what we did, I'm gonna have Miss Smith read this real quick. It's gonna be for about 15 points, but I gotta get it in the chat first. And it's just a reminder of what we did that day, and what pages you go to get started on that. If you have trouble trying to turn the work in, just let me know. I'll try to walk through it with you on my kit and show you step by step what to do. But you might want to get your kit turned on and trying to get your book out so you can get ready to follow along. There is an opportunity to read for 50 points. I wanted to focus on the next steps that you should be working on, like to get you further along. I don't know how far you all have gotten because we didn't get a chance to do share outs last time, but I do want to see it today if we can submit some work because we ran out of time yesterday. Or not, yes, was it yesterday? Today's Tuesday, yeah. So let's see here. Ms. Smith, can you see it in the chat there? I think I got everything correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead. Now let's just say 20 points because it's going good.
Um, hello, and good morning, all STEM majors. Complete project number 3, archery game via the official Raspberry Pi beginnings guide book that came with your kit. Review pages 86 through 91 from your book that comes with the kit and follow all steps to create a project worth maximum credit. This project has to be complete on your Raspberry Pi 400 kit via Scratch 3. We will discuss the assignment further in class. Hope to see you there, Zane.
All right, so that's from yesterday, right? And this is the book I'm talking about. Everybody should have their book. If you look behind me, you should be on your kit. Now I'm gonna log into my kit and I'm gonna show you what I mean again, in case anybody's confused about that. So let's do this. We're gonna go through. Where's VNC Viewer? Log in. Get this going. Uh-oh, I typed in the wrong passwords. Let's do this slowly. There we go. Oh, as you can see, let's blow this up some. And I'm gonna get rid of that. And to get to MIT, this is your desktop. To get to your MIT Scratch, you would need to come over here to the Raspberry, go to Programming, and Scratch 3. Okay, that's when you got your kit all the way installed and everything and ready to go. So now I'm gonna open up Scratch 3, and you want to do this first because Scratch 3 takes a little bit to load. So it's gonna say Scratch desktop is loading. Some students have tried to do this on online. Oh, hey Eli, I'll be coming late. Let's see here.
Oh yeah, Chad, I got a question. I was supposed to say, how my grade just go down because I ain't do yesterday assignment? You know, I ain't have my kid with me.
Yeah, that don't mean you're not gonna get graded for it.
But that's is my grade always going down, but I don't see my grade increasing when I be getting my points inside class.
Well, we could talk about it, but you see in ESI what you got little marks on, right?
Yeah, just the stuff from yesterday. I ain't missing nothing else.
Okay. Well, I'll take a look because I did look at your scores. So everybody get to Scratch. Let me take a look at what Eli's talking about. 1 second. Okay. Close all this. Okay, now if we go to Mr. Curtis, he wants to do a quick data talk. Where are we at? There's Eli. All right, that's Eli, isn't it? Okay, I think it is. There we go. So if we come to your score, you said it's going down. Okay, so March 1st, this year, right? You didn't do that assignment. Uh, you got 50% here and there. Those are actually your participation points that kept those from being zero. Um, you got 50% on that last assignment. You didn't turn nothing in, but that
I
still
know
gives you.
that last quiz, I ain't finished it.
Yeah, right.
Mhm.
Well, you still got a score for it, dude.
I know
You can
that
always go
ain't
back and
fine.
fix it.
Up front then. I know what
I,
I'm.
I'm just saying you came to me with the beef. I'm saying I looked at what you did and that's what you got. You need to do some more. Okay, but you ain't doing bad. It's 71%. You gotta put in some more work. You can go back and do all assignments to March 12th anyway to fix it. But we're focusing our energy on project 3, which is what you should be doing anyway right now, finishing it up. That's what I was telling everybody to do. So are you buy your kit?
Mm-mm.
Oh boy.
Mm.
All right.
Be
Well,
back.
you might want to work on something older if you can, like that March something. It was March 1st. I don't remember.
I'm gonna have my kid tomorrow,
Okay. Okay.
but I grab my computer so I can do school.
hmm Yeah, you need that. But try to use this time to go to the video if you can't do that because you're like, how do I get the score back up? I shouldn't have went to the other screen. There we go. So the biggest thing I would say work on is the March 1st assignment. Find the video for March 1st in the library and see if you can do that one. Because this one is a paper, Google Doc assignment. You can knock that out.
All right, March 1st. All right.
Okay. But you got to stay in class so the whole time. So do what you can while you're here. Everybody else, you know what you're supposed to be doing. You're supposed to be at least working on project 3, right? And that's on your kit. Now, I was showing you a moment ago this. We go here, we do this. This is your Scratch 3 environment. This is where you're going to be coding on, and you start putting it together on page in your book. I think it was 86. Yeah. So on 86, there's also a link that tells you what to do. Now I'm gonna try to put the link in there because I'm real big on reading, but I know some students like to see it on the screen. So I'm gonna put the link in there, and if you want to work on it later, you can always basically open the link up, and even if you don't have your book, try to do it. Now there's only 2 projects in here that got links now, so don't think I'm just giving you links to substitute the book. I'm real big on reading books. I'm not too fond of this, because I think it takes away from your learning ability. All right. Technology makes us a bit lazy, in my opinion. All right, now I used to have to type on a typewriter when I was younger, I swear. So let's get this in here for you. Y'all kids got everything. I wish I was young all over again. RPF.io, and then I think it was Clash Archery. I'm gonna take this and put it in my browser to make sure it works for you. It's archery dash. No, archery. Okay. Okay, and this is the first link you need. It didn't even turn into a link, so I gotta do it the other way. So let me open up a Chromium browser. If you're reading your book on page 87, I'm showing you exactly what they want us to do. So let me move this out of my way. And open the tab. It's a Chrome browser tab. Get rid of that. Okay, now, again, it's RPF. That's the astronaut one. That's not the right one. .io, then backslash archery. Okay, hit enter. What do we got? There we go. It's the link we want. So I'm gonna grab this, and you can also use this as a supplement if you want to just read on your computer what to do. So let me grab that. Where did it go? Here we go. Let's put that in the chat. Oh, not plus. There it goes. And then there's one more you need just to get all of you helped out. Some people be having trouble. You got to take your time and read from 86 to 87, everybody. I'm dead serious about that. So let me grab this. It's the second link you need because it was giving people trouble yesterday. What happens is the second link where it says start by opening Chromium Browser on page 86, it actually gives you the whole zip file so you can do the project. So they do most of the work for you. You guys got to just follow the rest of the steps. So the second link is RPF. I'm reading on page 86. It's in bold print. So rpf.io. And what else we got? We got, oh, Kyla ain't playing. She got both. She's in here twice. So anyway, IO, what is it? /P / if you're wondering where I'm getting this from, it's on page 86. I'm at the start by opening part. I did the blue box. That's the first link I gave you. Uh, so if you're not sure what I'm talking about, you need your book by you or be looking into it, following along with me. EN for English Archery, right? And then a - go. Okay, so I did that part, and now see what it does. Right, so then it tells you, all right, do you want to download this zip file? Now I did it already because this is the Archery EN resources zip you'll get, and it says that you'll get that on page 87 at the top of the page. So look, I want you to take 10 minutes and at least try, because when you get it right, I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you get it right. If you did the page 86 and 87 correctly, even before you get to the putting the blocks together, you're supposed to have this set up, and I'm gonna show you what I mean. So I saved my file before, so I should be able to load it. And that's after I did these steps I was telling you about as far as going to these websites. So Archery resources, that's what it's going to be. .s, and it's at the top of page 87, what I'm talking about. So open. I'm talking about this book here, y'all. So you should have this much. This is real hard for some people. I don't know why. But if you follow these 2 pages and did what it said, slowly read it, do what it says, you can get this far. And I'm trying to give y'all maximum credit for yesterday's participation points. But a lot of people can't even get this part started. Unfortunately, a lot of this has to be done on the kit, not a phone. So if you do it online, I'll know because the files won't be the same. Because I'm going to open it up on my kit. And then you're going to be like, well, I did it though. Like, you didn't do it right. I told you to do it on your kit. So try to get this done all on your kit as much as you can. It's 86 to 91. That's how much coding you got to do. And it's real easy, and it's a double credit assignment because it's a hands-on part, meaning you got to put these blocks together and make your program work. Once you're done with all the steps, this is the last part. You click on File, Save to your computer, and you name it AG for Archery Game and your last name. I've said this a few times yesterday. So I'm going to name this, you see it's highlighted, AG for Archery Game, and I'm going to name it Tyler. So I got to call it Tyler too because I did this yesterday with y'all. Hit save. Also, make sure you save it to your desktop so you can find it. Once you do that, if you're on your kit, and it's really easy if you're on your kit, you can put it right into EDSB. So let's do this. I'm going to cancel this screen, right? And I'm going to go to, where's my EDSB at? So I'm going to come over here. Here's the EDSB tab. I'm going to open that up. And let's see here. I'm not in the mood. Go, y'all. Go on, y'all. Dang, everybody want to talk to you. So in EDSB, let me expand this a little bit. I can go to the assignment that I was telling you about. And we got project 2. That's synchronized swimming. This is the wrong class. Let's go to, there, it's the wrong class. Last period. Okay, so in there, it's loading. Okay, so I'm doing this all from my kit, by the way. So y'all have trouble when y'all try to, how do I load it to my phone? You can't do it that way, right? So let's scroll down. And where are we at? We got project 3, Archery Game. That's what you look for. If you have trouble finding it, go to your My Work section. I've seen some of your student portals. There's a My Work section up here I saw you guys have on the phone, or you should be doing this from your kit. But at the top, click on My Work and you'll find this assignment faster. So anyway, we'll come down here to the Raspberry Pi 400 kit, Project 3 archery game, right? Click on that. There's going to be an icon you click on that says browse your computer. Once you do that, you can put your file inside, hit submit, and you're good to go. So let's scroll down a little bit. And you'll see it looks like this. All right. Take this, just like I want to take you, say about 10 minutes, because I want you to turn in something today in class because we're getting close to midterms. That's March 12th. Okay. Eli, go ahead.
You said I didn't do the assignment for March 1st. I turned that in.
I said, okay, if you turned it in, then why'd you get 50%? Let me take a look.
I could show you my screen and I can show you. I got it pulled up right now.
Yeah, but I gotta look at what you turned in on my screen. Give me a second. I gotta take a look. So let's take a look at what you're talking about. Everybody else work on that. Let me see.
That was with the 12 volt and the 14 volt, if I'm correct.
I don't know. I'm gonna see. It's about the parallel plates, right?
Let me go back to my title. Yep.
Let's see here. Let's take a look. All right, Curtis. March 1st. You just turned it in, dude.
I didn't do nothing.
Well, it was. Hey, it had a 0 there for a reason. Let's see what happened. That 0 was put in this morning.
I just turned it in. I'm just not logging in.
Well, one is yellow. That's one, Eli. I'm not here to argue with you. It's yellow, so it's late.
That's the technology. All I know is
No, it's not the technology, bro. I can't give you that.
If it's not technology, then it's you, because I turned it in.
Eli, you want to argue, but I'm saying it's yellow. That means
I'm not arguing. This is my grade we talking about, sir.
Yeah, well, I'm telling you how mathematics works, sir. If you turn it in late, it's late.
I didn't turn it in late. I turned it in on time.
Eli, you did not.
So how you saying?
I'm telling you how. Look, you can get all. Look, that's yellow, Eli. Look, don't fight me. It's yellow. That's it. And then it loses 20%. So it's like just turn work in on time, man. Students that turn it on time are green, Eli. Nobody's lying. Okay, all right.
At first, you said I didn't turn it in at all. Now I turned it in late.
Well, it has a zero. Well, Eli, either way is a 0 because I didn't see it on.
I'm correct. I'm correct.
No. You look. Either you want to hear the information or you
want
to argue.
When you first got in here, Tyler, you said that I didn't do it. Right?
You're over talking me. I can't help you if you just want to over talk me.
Because you know you're wrong.
No, I'm not wrong, dude.
So what did you say when I first got in here?
Eli, look. Let's do this after school. How about that? I know how to handle this like grown men. We got to talk offline. Because right now you taking this too emotional, and it's like it's not that serious.
It's not emotional. It's about my grade, G.
Eli, look, if you can't focus on your work, Eli, if you can't focus on your work, I'm gonna have to remove you and get to follow up. I'm gonna ask you to cut it out right now.
You do
please. I know. I'm just gonna mute you then because you're not listening no more. You turned it in late, dude. Like, stop.
Turned it in late at first thing. So
Yeah, Eli, whatever, man. Stop it. Okay, everybody else finish up. You got concerns like, what'd you say, Ms. Smith?
Can you put them links back in the chat?
Yes, I can. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see here. I'm doing
Mr. Rush.
Eli, okay, Rush, you're gonna have to take him outside the class. I'm trying to teach, dude. He's trying to take over the whole class.
I can't ask Mr. Rush.
No, you can't do that. Jamar Davis did that, and you can't do it either. You guys got to learn some decorum, some respect. That's not respect. You just don't blurt out what you want. No, Eli, you cannot. I'll follow up with your parent. You have a good day. Go cool off, okay? Go cool off. Go cool off, bro. Go cool off. You're not going to disrupt the whole class, family. All right, back to what we was doing. Okay, all right, here we go. All right, now you wanted the links, right? He's trying to take over the whole class. All right. All right, Rush, you there? Because you're going to have to, Borders is not around, so you have to follow up with the dude. Okay, Rush is busy. All right. Let me know if you guys need help. I want you to work on that. Check back in your 10 minutes. I gotta make some phone calls. Okay, I'm just checking on y'all. How's you coming, Miss Smith? Any luck with your kid? You here twice.
It's the same thing I told you yesterday, but I'm just like I sent you the one I did on the computer, but I'm trying to do it. I still don't know how to change the name.
No, okay. I don't. Can you explain what happened yesterday? What was the issue yesterday?
Cause you were saying like we had to change the name or something at the top and stuff like that. I don't know how to do that.
You was okay. That's the thing. Okay, I think you was not on. Was you on your kit when you was doing it?
No, but when I'm on the kid, I still don't see it.
Okay, so hold on. You went to Scratch 3, right?
What was in the what you put in the thing and the
So
stuff that's in the book?
okay, so but did you start Scratch 3 here?
What is scratch three?
That's what I'm telling you about. That's why you don't see it. Okay, so are you on your kit right now?
Yeah.
Go to the Raspberry,
Okay.
programming,
I see it.
click on that.
It's loading.
Okay, that's good. That's good. But let me see if you could find what I was talking about, or you see what I was talking about once it loads. It's gonna take a little bit to load though. You're making progress. Oh, that's what I was like, dude. You gotta calm down. So it should look like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it'll get there. Give it a second to load. Okay, now where is this at? I gotta do one for today.
Do I press yes? I'd like to improve scratch. Or
You like to what?
it say no thanks, but yes, I'd like to help improve scratch.
No, that's a survey. Don't worry about all that. It should let you start up without having to do it. If it doesn't, just go ahead with it. But I don't think you need that.
I see it now, but why is it? Do I delete this cat?
No, well, yeah, delete the cat because remember, I want you to use your own character for this these steps, right?
This is the same thing we did yesterday, right? I'm still doing the archery.
Well, yeah, you want to go through the was it page 86, right?
Yeah.
And start there. So you don't need the blue box. The blue box is the book. I want you to use the book because it's easier to follow. When you go on that website, things get a little confusing. So
So
look, start with oh Lord. Give me 1 second. Hello? Yeah, hello. God, so impatient, dang. Huh? Okay, I'm sorry. So you see page what was it 86, right?
yeah, I got all that, but what do I change the name to?
You want to change the name to I'm sorry, AG, your last name. In that middle part, right? In that box. So AG for archery game, right? AG, and then your last name is Smith. So that's what you type in there.
All right.
Okay. And then the rest, the next thing you got to do is follow the instructions on page 86. So it says start by. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. So do start right there. It says start by opening the Chromium browser. That's your browser. That's what I was showing you a moment ago. And you're going to type in that rpf.io into the browser. Okay. You got it?
I'm finna do it now.
Okay. So let me know if you're in any trouble, but do all those steps and take your time. Let me know if you have trouble, though. That's what today is for. Get you caught up and used to your kit.
Can you show me how to unzip the file and all that? Cause I hit extract, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, all right. Don't start doing all that. You know what you're doing. You get frustrated too fast for me. All right. So look, follow what I do. Okay. Did you download the file first?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the first part. The next part is they want you to unzip it, right? So let's minimize all this. And did you send it to your desktop or the home directory? You got to find the file first.
What you mean?
Okay. So where did you download it to?
I don't know. It's just on the bottom of the screen, and I just clicked it.
All right. So click on the arrow that like lets you see show in folder. You got that?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you find the file?
But do it just say zip?
It says zip. Yeah.
Yeah. It's just in download.
It says archery in resources.zip.
Yeah.
Okay. So drag that file to desktop. Can you do that?
Mhm.
Did it go
I
to
don't know if
desktop?
you went in there though.
Huh?
Never mind. Yeah.
So it's on your desktop now, right?
Yeah.
Good. Now you can close any windows, go to the zip file, and do what I do. Did you find it?
What you doing?
Okay.
Oh.
Do you see my file that I clicked on here? That's the file you should have found, right?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. So do what I do. It says here you're going to right click on it, right? You see in the parentheses on page 86, right click, and it should give you this menu. You see that?
No.
Okay.
Hold
So
on.
you got to right click and not left click.
Okay. Do what?
So right click, the second mouse button. It's the
No.
right
After.
button. Okay. So after that, on page 86, it says select extract here. Did you do that?
Yeah.
Okay. What did it do?
I just made another file or whatever that
But
was.
it's not the same, right? It should have archery resources.sb3.
Yeah.
You got it. Now, go back to your Scratch 3 domain. I
Okay.
told you it's easy. You just got to slow down and read the instructions. That's all. Okay, so you got it now?
Mhm.
You're in Scratch, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want you to go to File.
I'm in
You
that
already,
already.
huh?
I'm in that already.
Oh, so you got the file in there?
Don't just say what am I looking for? The archery resources?
Right, .sb3?
Yeah.
Right. Did you open it?
No.
Okay, you got to open it.
Do I replace it?
Yeah, it's easier that way, but yeah. Okay, did you get the archery board and stuff?
Yeah.
Good. Now we can move to the next part. You can keep programming. That was the first part I wanted you to get done. Now you can read what they say do, but I want you to find those two blocks and snap them together. They say on page 87. You see the yellow blocks there or the gold ones?
Mhm.
Okay. Do you know how to find them?
Yeah, I could do all that.
Oh, okay. Well, then the rest of this should be easy because it's nothing but doing what they say on these pages. Was that the,
So
the hardest part for you?
what?
That part right there was the hardest part, huh?
Oh.
No, I'm
So
asking. I'm not cracking a joke. I was asking.
oh yeah, I don't know what I was doing.
Okay. Well,
But
now you know how to unzip files. Don't forget about it. But let's see, 218. So we got a little more time left. Try to get some more done. Like you got the win click block, the broadcast block, and just follow the directions on down. Huh?
can you show me how to send this to you at the
How to
end?
get it? Okay, so for instance, you got to make sure you have the sprite arrow clicked, right? You see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So you click on the sprite arrow, make sure it's selected. Then we come over to events, right? Because I'm just matching up the colors, right?
No, how do you send it to you? Like what do I send it on?
Oh, you talking about how to turn it in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you wanted me to go through it. But you go to file. Once you're done, save to your computer. Okay. Once you do that, You'll put that in Esby like you would any other assignment. That makes sense or no?
Okay, yeah.
That's
I
all
would
you
do
got to
that
do.
on the Raspberry Pi.
You
Right.
got to do it all on the Raspberry Pi. Yes, because
Okay.
that's what Scratch 3 is. You don't have Scratch 3 on your phone or anything like that. So okay,
All right.
and that's all you got to do from that page to 91. Get all that program, and you're good. Turn it in, and that should help you score out. If you get time, you can go back and do project one. That was part of the quiz, and that could boost up the quiz score too if you want. Okay, so you should turn the mic off. I guess that's all our questions. Miriam, how's it coming? What are you doing over there? Are you working on an old assignment or just chilling out?
I'm working on some assignments I gotta turn in.
Oh, using the videos? How you doing that?
Well, I'm right now. I'm doing chapter 4.
Okay.
I didn't
But
finish
you
it.
talking about the chapter 4 in the book part?
Yes.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. Cool, cool, cool. Good job. Um, so everybody be able to leave once you have time for next period because we run out of time, everybody, in about 4 more minutes. Then I close the room up, send out emails, and put in some more grades. Again, not to scare anybody, March 12th, we got grades coming out. I keep saying like a broken record. I want y'all to have a great progress report going to your parents. Nothing bad. So try your best. None of this stuff is hard. You just gotta keep trying it. Read it slowly. Make it make sense to yourself as best you can. 'Cause I can explain it, but something as simple as that might give you trouble. It's okay. This is all probably new to you. Um, I covered the objective, I think, maybe once. That's because Eli broke my concentration a little bit. Um, okay, here we go. Where we at? Okay, so here we go. The objective, and there we go. And here we are. So let's hear Miriam. I want you to get some of these points in there. You are still catching up. Can you read the agenda again? You did it good last time. The agenda and the words there. So 20 points. We're gonna get ready to close up.
Students will be able to utilize the Google Code Next curriculum to complete Project 3 Archery Game page 86 via the Raspberry Pi 400 academic cake.
Very good.
No classroom term of the day is grass where the day device.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. So we at least covered our objective another time. I don't know if it's three or not. I lost understanding for a second. Okay. Okay. I don't know if we did the objective three times or not, but Miss Smith, can you do the objective in the words one last time before we leave? Because it's about time for y'all to get ready for your next period. Are you there?
Classroom summary today is scripts. What of the day? Devise.
Hmm.
Students will be able to utilize the Google Next code. The Google Code Next curriculum to complete Project 3, Archery Game, page 86, via the Raspberry Pi 400 academic kit.
All right, great. So that's all y'all got to work on. If you have book assignments, finish those. Those are the easiest, like Mr. Hernandez is doing. But enjoy the rest of your evening. Try to turn this work in. You still can turn it all in and get a good considerable amount of credit. Okay. But you all are free to log off and get ready for your fifth period, which starts at 2:40. Wanted to give you time to get ready for your next period. This class ends at 2:30, so I'll give y'all about like a extra 5 minutes. All right. Okay, Rush, I'm about to shut this down. And are you there? Okay, I think he stepped away.